Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, Aircraft Maintenance Manual, at a chapter. Today is chapter 10, Parking and Mooring. This is the chapter. Please stop the video and read this information. This is the date of today, 22 April 2024. This is YouTube channel, and this is another channel. This is my photo. This is 3 items. I hope to comply them if you find it useful for you. Parking and mooring. Parking means the aircraft stopped, but mooring, that aircraft supported beside parking. When we need to store the aircraft or long time parking. When spread of disease like corona cases, if a war zone for long time, increased cost for airline that shortens in financial. Here, some figures about closing the access, the open areas. Here are the inlet of engines. Also, the exhaust of engine must be closed also. Here, stored over docks for long times here. This is some references. This is webinar for IATA. This is the link. I will put the link in the description box. And this is the Airbus safety first about the parking and storage. Also, I will put it in the description box. This is the IATA document, aircraft storage, here parking and storage, make comparison. This is the Airbus safety first, the airplane parking. The parking, 3 types or 3 cases. Normal parking. Normal parking means the aircraft comes from flight, go to the stand or to the finger. This is the normal parking, about 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours between the flights. But prolonged parking may be 7 days and more. There is a table for prolonged parking. High wind parking. Here, special cases for high wind, more than so and so miles. When you put the aircraft for long time parking or mean storage, you must cover fitted props. Static props are recommended when the airplane is parking for more than standard turnaround or when conditions such as insect activity, dust storms, or volcanic ash may increase the risk of pitted props or static props, contamination, a pitted props or static prop system blocked by foreign objects, such as insects or maybe dust, maybe. Okay. Failure to take care here. Failure to remove covers from the petted static props or covering from static pods before flight may cause, take care, may cause large errors in airspeed sensing and altitude sensing signals, which may be lead loss of safe flight. In cold weather, it is necessary to drain the fuel tank some prior to refueling. To remove water from the fuel, please follow your aircraft maintenance manual procedure. Put the covers on the openings, vents, and scopes on the airplane to keep out unwanted material. Make sure that the aileron control wheel in the neutral position. Close all lavatory doors. Put the covers of these components to prevent contamination from there. Dust, debris, and volcanic ash. Fitted static props, APU exhaust, engine inlet, fan exhaust. By the way, the APU exhaust, I found a bird nest when it was opened. So don't forget to close it. Engine inlet, fan exhaust, and turbine exhaust. Attach a red, take care here. For precaution, attach a red paper tag that has fitted props covered to, okay, to make the maintenance to take care from these steps to remove any covers before flight. Also, write angle of attack sensors covered on the tag, cover the angle of attack. Here, the angle of attack is static in a static mode. Okay, better mode. Okay, look here. This is vents here. Take care. When you close this, you must follow the maintenance manual procedure. Okay, also for this. About shocks. Shocks installation in wind or wind gust to a maximum of 35 knots. Here, in this case, you put the shocks near the wheels, but in the standard brake, standard parking, you put the shocks away or near the wheels approximately 2 inches. Why? When a load is added to the airplane, the tires can prevent removal. Sometimes it is difficult to remove the shocks when you want to remove it. Okay? Put the main landing gear shocks approximately 2 inches near from the tire. Now the same thing. Put shocks that are down from the nose landing gear and main landing gear tire such that they touch the tire. So touch tires when there is wind, but in normal, make clear 2 inches. On the prolonged parking, your maintenance manual will give you a table here. The table contains the columns. The first columns, item. Item means the subject at a chapter air conditioning also, initial 7 days, 14 days, the period which you want to make the store period, or as required if more than 180. Okay, here put the airplane to serviceable condition after storage. Here, each item you made to store or park, you must remove, such as remove fitted props, engine inlet, fan exhaust. Any closed area, you must remove the covers. The high wind condition mooring. Here, mooring means support the aircraft against the wind. Here, when the airplane is parking on dry pavement and winds are expected to be greater than here, you must attach cable to the two lugs of the main gears, not one, the main and the nose also. Look here, they say the nose. This is just example for aircraft. Here, one main landing gear here. They said the mooring cable. Okay. The other main landing gear also here. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.